Hello, this is Enrique from Patrick Hyundai. I'm your certified technician, and this is a new episode of Tech Explains. Today, we want to talk about tires, specifically tire pressure. So, if we take a look over here, we have a nice set of Firestone tires. One of the most important things we'd like to show is down here. So here, as you can tell, it does say 51 max pressure. So you never want to have these over 51 PSI of pressure anywhere near that. Where you could find your tire pressure is actually in the doorway here. These ones, when you open the door on the inside here, it'll show you your max tire pressure. One of the most important things that we do want to do as well is we want to check on our alignment. Sometimes we have these vehicles, the alignment is off sometimes, which you could tell by just looking at the ridges on the tires. At times, you'll see the ridges a little more worn out on the inside or the outside of the tires. That's how you know you want to complete a four-wheel alignment. Additionally, we want to make sure that we set tire PSI to the proper spec. Tire PSI is important to have at the proper rate. Reason being is that we can have alignments being thrown off based off of uneven tire PSI, causing uneven tire wear, which also could lead to further problems later down the line. Sometimes in the summertime, you want to have, specifically for this vehicle, it is 34 PSI of pressure. You want to double check these every summer and every winter. In the winter time, we do have a lot of cases where tire pressure does drop. So when tire pressure drops in the winter time from sitting outside, you want to make sure that you have proper tire pressure set. In the summertime, tire pressure does go up. When you're raising tire pressure, we showed you here that there was a max PSI. You want the PSI to match what it says on the door jamb on the vehicle. Max PSI has there for a reason. When you over pressurize a tire, at times the tire can pop or explode. Definitely don't want to do that. So you want to make sure that you're checking your tire pressure every summer and winter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys leave a like, and we hope that you guys learned something new today.